With a Quooker Tap, you'll always have instant boiling water whenever you want it. Push, push, turn to fill a pan or glass with instant boiling water. The LED ring turns red. Making tea, blanching vegetables, it's all possible. You can use a Quooker Tap more often than you think. A Quooker Tap is safe. The double-walled spout, aerated flow, and the fixed position on the worktop all prevent accidents. After dispensing boiling water, you can immediately dispense cold or hot. Push the handle to the right and you get cold water. And with the flexible pull-out hose of the Quooker Flex, you can increase the reach and add more functionality. If you have the Quooker Cube, in addition to cold, hot and boiling water, you can now get chilled sparkling and chilled filtered water all from the same tap. Push, turn to dispense chilled sparkling water. The LED ring flashes blue. Push, wait, turn. The LED ring lights solid blue. Now dispense chilled filtered water. Pull the handle down and to the right to dispense hot water. You can use a Quooker Tap more often than you think. Get inspired and visit our website or speak to our service team. We'd be happy to help. The tap that does it all. Quooker.